Kolebu, I'm 28. I can't negotiate.
You are mentioning Kolebu here. Yes. Don't let me spark.
Please spark. What's happening in Kolebu?
You know, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Some doctors mark on Asian platitudes. They're marking on Asian platitudes. Sribwa sits there and say that I, Japan, cannot build a 37 cardiothoracic. I'll build it for him to see. I like challenges.
Who's Sribwa, by the way?
Sribwa at cardio. Yes.
You have a problem with him?
Yesterday, when I went there, I was challenging me. Said, me, I can't build it. I'll build this in style for him to see. No, no, I'm a bit confused. Go on pension.
I'm a bit confused about this.
Don't bring Kolebu here.
Yeah, but Sribwa is only one person.
Yeah.
At the cardio center.
He sits there and thinks that, oh, that thing costs 30 million. The guy can't do it. I'll do it in style.
Why did he say that?
Yeah, he has said it. Commanders, just they were also.
Did he say it privately or publicly?
Privately or publicly.
Also, he was gossiping about you.
Yeah, so I can't do it. I'll do it, Sribwa. I'll do it in style. And you are not the only cardio. Let me tell you what has happened. I don't Please, let me tell you something. Let me tell you what has happened.
I'm listening.
Today.
Yeah.
Today, Ghanaians who are cardiologists calling from Columbia Presbyterian to train these Ghanaian doctors. Let him hear. Let him hear.
Oh, you are taking people to train as cardiologists?
Yeah. Again, New York University, medically, Ghanaians have offered to train these doctors. Today, Sribwa, listen to me carefully. Brown University, Ghanaian cardiologists are prepared to train them. He's not the only cardiologist in this country. Please, what is he talking about?
Who is cardiologist? Frimpong Boateng?
No, Frimpong Boateng a problem. Only a problem. He got.
Okay, so that's cardio in Kolebu. Yeah. Let's come back to the 28-year-old doctor who can't negotiate for himself.
You see, 28-year-old doctor. Me, who can't be moved because you talk about age. Some young doctors are so brilliant. They are not given opportunity. So why are you worried about 28-year-old?
I'm talking about negotiating for himself, the salary.
Why don't you negotiate for yourself? If you are competent and you are good at what you do, you should be able to negotiate yourself. Why not?
I'm sorry about what Sribwa said. He really shouldn't have said that. He shouldn't
have said
how does he know your pocket? He doesn't know your pocket.
I will do it as a
How much would it cost in total?
I'm paying 3 million. I'm paying 3 million.
Oh, they put Sribwa.
No, I'm paying 3 million. I'm paying $3 million for you know. And I'm going to, I will spend more because of what he has said.
I think that you have abused Sribwa and I have to issue a disclaimer.
Use it. Use it.
Let me issue the disclaimer.
See, let me tell you.
No, your views are your views, they are not our views.
I will let you use your disclaimer. But this guy sits there and says that, why is it that 37 military hospital, a basic cardio, they did not tell you? Who the hell do you think you are?
Is there not a cardio and that National Health Service that he's the boss?
When you're boss in Kolebu, you are not boss in 37 military hospital. Who said that? Who said that? He's so arrogant. Me arrogant to tell you. We are not fixing Ubia. Me arrogant to who covered the 59. I'll make sure he goes on pension.
How do you know he's 59?
I know. Matigino.
Okay.
Matigino.
But he's 59. He has one more year.
Would you have minimum time I walk up pension? The same way at Frimpong Boateng, a trainee who call a 2-man call pension, Kolebu Cardio Nangu. Get ready too. We don't need such unpatriotic people in this country. We don't need them.
Oh, I'm so sorry for
some young doctors, they are not given opportunity because of such doctors. What do I say? Now because it costs 30 million. Even if I have to sell, you know how much it costs?
Which one?
The steel plant. Does he know how much it costs?
I'm so sorry for him, but why did he go and say that?
Please.
I'm sure he didn't intend that you should hear.
And I've heard it.
Have you met him before?
Me no because my best friend pa cousin.
Your best friend cousin.
My best friend pa. That is my krom here, you know. Abodom.
In Ashanti.
Yeah.
I see.
That you see, you don't need unpatriotic citizens in this country.
No, you don't.
We should encourage people.
Yeah,
I've come out as individual to help.
If you call you and says you are done well, like everybody did.
I mean, just
all the comments on the media said you have done very well.
You sit there, oh, he can't do it, and I mean, I like that too. I like challenges. I'll do this in style. I'll do it.
A cardiothoracic unit at 37 military.
Yes, I will do it.
How long will it take? When will
they say on my birthday, 16th June, Your baby
next year.
For this month to see.
Next year.
I have the list of all the equipment.
Next year.
Buy it for this month to see. Say a Ghanaian and a black man can also do it. I'm when you're free range. So
you do this so that we'll know that after all.
I don't want to.
I'm ending that. After all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yes. And that is exactly what I'm doing. That's why I'm saying that we don't need, or I don't need to be president to effect change in people's life. In my own small way, I'm creating jobs. Go and see the number of people working there now.
Kwasiet mi anisia pro Jonas na ono no gidi se krom ha no ya che we free no so oka na asem na won kan che ne so oka na asem na owia no ma address ba bia ye chiche duane free
no ko give free
what you say oka se ha no ya masika free no a no atira address no na ye nyina ya ko jibi baby I teach you free no one can baby I my dying free no one can encourage no we change some phone on with you chrome hanuno it's a phone pan on mudi it's a phone on mudi and the minia and son of my corner your friend then now say me we say it's your toy akumasini na sifua oma when I me say your friend me pentemwa mentumi amba live one more I the pictures be and I said ya chroma yana come I control a chroma me what say see me no can say about 3 states almost electricity for the past 3 days. Sad torrential rainfall now is so
Dada I mo chama mo na mo America na mo so me educate Ghana because Ghana for us ye mu bi no ya for say me wa picture ni mo
Facebook yanka Aljazeera news wo Facebook yanka UK news wo Facebook yanka ewiase nyina nsem ho nti Facebook de di atem na atem de na youth no di yes me am tie na dim DSTV ato BBC na BBC ayi se na Akufo-Addo the car company Toyota akọ Ghana na enkofo aka se na do Ghana president obon ho modern na wo de wo so ye Ghana ni won yere Ghana hunti no aba betra social media no di na do atema na sameja mfiaba no aba tawachi ni aba pese educate aba papa ni fie wanu no tawachi se dipanyina tem Minka so no na yo, but they all support those things. Nobody was able to come and stop anybody. Now me reference adia me reference politics na mo yen. Sa ta media mo di panyini. Hwe mo di otufo yi. Ya wa adia bi sa asanteman. Me am tia me asanteni o. Enti se wo di otufo atema, me na won kohwe so nkoto abama. Party na wo to kasama na won koto abama no. Me kanya satie. Se wo di otufo atem I say we are party A, party B. Asantifo go to Obama what? So Asantifo follow. Yeah, me will be follow me, but they be an ninja make and I bet you will come. So me will follow what? Me need to walk and I bet you will come. And to know doesn't mean say when 50,000 viewers, 50,000 viewers, and to him say oh trendy. That be, but why somehow can be a team about. Or the better about the Odin channel. Mutia the Yansa Macasa channel. Make Yansa say video. The Odin atano. The Awasi Wukufino. Obit if you say. Onona Bambai and the Bako school. Obit if you also Onona Bambaye. And a Ghana Toyota buyer. Obit if you also Onona Bambaye. And Onyala once. Obit if you also Onona Bambaye. And one no police penny. Gentle police for Mamma chance no be. Police for na do abamu kwon wetimi akra no mapama police for akra cars emissions ambulances akra ama doctor for the doctor bia ma bonte so be demonstration and na do so ade am di ya won na do won say wo jaga na doctors no na doctor for no ton adwuma ton ya ayi free health insurance duro ani etete enso na do nka wo hwe enti ade a mesre na na do ne na aban se emra se mra timi kyekere me ya mete ya me ntwe se kan wu Ghana ni emra kyekere na mra kyeme na mra ne medi na mra so na mra kumia